Now, before we get started, this is not a substitute for the printed fitting instructions, and is mandatory that the fitting instructions are read thoroughly several times before going any further. This video is only a general how to assemble and install the side boat loader. Each fitment will differ slightly. Based on the measurements provided in the instructions, mark the side of the boat accordingly and transfer these measurements to the other side of the boat as well. Once that's done, we need to punch these points prior to drilling. Just a safety tip, spread your legs apart before drilling the hole to avoid any injury. Once all 4 holes are drilled, take the kit SBLK8 and assemble the eye-bolt hardware. And install the 4 eye bolts into the boat. Repeat this process for all 4 points in the boat.